Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tell me, like, what are you arresting me for?
Number 3.
What case is it to
This Bombard Force Biang.
Okay, fine.
Case
Yes,
number
fine. Yeah.
regarding that purchase of
The Bombard Force
Okay, okay.
from this.
Then how many cases now?
All to
No, now how many?
yeah,
which
only
is
one
it?
case, only one case.
You are arresting me one now?
Only one.
Okay, okay. It's okay. What do you want to do? Tell me.
So you have to come with us.
I'm cooperating.
yes, thank you.
I'm cooperating.
Thank you.
They witness. I am not running anywhere. Nor I have left even whatever. See, I have 120 days. I 102 days I'm here.
Sir, we are
I am
under
here.
you also, sir. We know.
I am here. I have cooperated everything, and I will always do law. Whatever is legal, I am there.
Right.
But nothing illegal should be done. If my rights violated, that's the only thing. What do you want to do now?
Come with us, sir.
Where are you going now?
Hana. Yes. And this is ladies and anti-corruption cases, sir.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, let's go.
Uhe Pulit ke jela Megalia bala syakem ba Gabriel yang rai menta kesngi ke khatsau trek urempang arajar arpulai ula syakem Biang haki Pulit ke tenat CID Marsen Lat Shalong District Jail. Lakem ningkong uni uhe Pulit haka arterek unai wing arajar arpuar halor ke jingkeno baula pendan kambak lai ke pisa bantai ke nationwide emergency response system hathanat sadar. Henrai hagini ki khendiat sngi ke yung bishar kala ai jamin no yu. Mentakas ni hadian bulami na Patok ki Pulit CID kilawan man Biang yu halor ka weipat ka kes bathamai bat kani ka day halor ka jingtiet kali. Habakran kilat pathay kubor uba Gabriel lulaong panadu budan Patok lay tray lang kibor Pulit bat halor ka kes ka bathamai ru unya tray ringkat ki Pulit henray kam day bandan ke balong persya ya kaan bat kabala ru ban pen Kenya ka hok ka jong u.
Ngayon atli kikis nyo jamin lawan gini ban kem kibi kikis pat ngala thay layan ni bakaj ni.
Tikmat kombat kidang don hak ka suspension.
Eh ngat la suspension kadang suspension pat kelaj. Boda katur katangnya. No. Step which is available to every citizen of India. I go by law. Whatever they do, I am willing to cooperate. I have been cooperating with everyone, and I will be cooperating till the last breath of my life, and I will come out clean. And then I have to leave some secret for myself also. Otherwise, you must have tomorrow night say, Gabriel K. Young right, no more dead, shot, because he carried what? He carried a pen, not a knife, a pen. He carried a pen. His pen is too pricky. They cannot understand. So that will happen. And if I die, the high-level khaki people are there, and you know who are those high level, and you are people media, you have archives. Your archive is very good, you can use it, you can see who is telling the truth, who is telling a lie. But I am a victim, but please help me to convey the message to the people. I have never spoken now almost it's almost a year. The trauma my family has to go through. Just imagine a 74 plus mother with 20% vision. My sister, my brother. I have a very small family. Everything destroyed. What else I have? What do they want? You want to hang me? Hang me. I don't have. But then I will not. My blood should not be. It's not so cheap that it will go like that. If it has to, others also will come in the row. And you know. And why is it that only targeting me? I am the so-called tainted. I don't know what tainted, painted, whatever word you use. I really don't know how clean they are. And you know, and I swear to God, my hands, I don't have any stain of blood in my hand. No stain of blood. But the people who have stain, please, how you get a sleepless night, I don't know. Even I am here. I thank God for the many people who have come as guardian angels in my life. They have come as guardian angels, giving me support morally, spiritually, in 5 minutes, which God has sent. God sent them. That I'm alive. Otherwise, I would nearly become mad. So this is what I have to say. Thank you very much. But I know very well. This is my first interview, first briefing. I have got sufficient amount of evidence with me, which I will use. Now it is only them, because they have the laws with them. All the high level are with them. I am nothing. I'll tell you, even the people who used to work. Suppose now you are my staff. You are my junior. You work with me. Even they have been put on duress. Make statements after statements against me. alleging this, alleging that. As if all the police, see, I'm not saying the whole system is, we have a lot of good policemen who are still very good, but always under duress because they cannot butter, they don't belong to this, they belong to that. And especially the highway, which is a source of lifeline. This is where I am a victim of. Why? Because under my signature, many things have happened. Many people have got letters which they don't want. And now because in a jail we have access to newspaper which you all write. There is a question about some high-level people who even the Honorable High Court has asked the credibility. And now, me, what did I do? It's all material. They want to torture me. Put me inside. What else you want from me? What will I do? I cannot tamper any evidence now. I am just an ordinary man. I don't even know how to drive. I don't know how to do anything. I have to go by taxi now. Everything, my livelihood has been affected. They've seized my account. They freeze my account. Whatever property I have, because it's in my name. I didn't hide. I never hide it like anyone else. They hide that they don't have property to declare. It's in my name. Why? Because I bought it. I have been a hardworking person right from the day I have not joined service. I have worked as a peon. I have worked as a teacher for 25 rupees. I go and do brasso job. I go and I do tuition. I make flowers. I make so many things. I do poultry, piggery. What else? Tuition. I go and what do you call in Kasi do the installment. You go. I do land agent. And they said, from where is the source of your money? I am single. I know how to know money. But they question my integrity. That in 3 years time, this much. If I work, I earn, no? And I am single. And whatever litany of cases registered against me are but efforts to put me under constant duress, to stop me from exposing skeletons that are in the various cupboard. I am a victim of a high-level khaki vendetta politics funded by many businessmen, etc. of Camel region origination, who have failed to control in many trade, especially through Benami trade in Meghalaya Police Department. The moment I started my RTI campaign to some department of the government to seek important information on various issues, and after filing an FIR with the crime branch police station against the breach of my rights as an accused against a person, officials involved, my family members has been made a scapegoat and unduly fabricated in a case by the police. Further, all the IOs of the cases registered against me are mostly non-indigenous. Further, prior to my joining as Commandant SF-10 on being transferred from the post of AIGA, a substitute commandant has already been placed in my very same chamber in a very schematic way. My appeal to the high-level khaki men to please stop harassing my family members. I am willing to sacrifice my life for my family and not scared of any attempt of anyone to plug similar modules operandi of like that of late Full Moon, Dhar, late Chesterfield, thank you, late PG Marbanyang, and a host of other gory stories which the police department are hiding, which are still mystery, for which true answer are yet to be revealed. I am innocent in whatever cases registered against me until proven guilty by a competent court of law. My hand is clean and I have no stain of blood, and I am of any innocent in my hands. I have full faith in the judicial system of the land and shall continue to fight for justice for my rights till the last breath of my life. Further, during my police custody, my human right has been violated, for which appropriate complaint has been made by me to the appropriate forum. My fundamental rights during police custody with police has been violated, and a formal complaint has been already lodged to the honorable court through proper channel. And further, there is lot of skeletons in the police department. I am a scapegoat being made. Now you'll just see they have already, the police are already ready here to arrest me, and so that. One more thing I want to tell you. Even all my cases I will have registered, They have been hiding. Only through the medium of RTI, I came to know that what are the cases registered against me. Even when we seek information, because as a citizen of India, you deserve to know. But there are certain provisions which you need to know. I was kept in the dark. Some cases registered already from the way of August, when we get asked nothing information. But it's only they're using it as a tool. And when I get bail, please stop. No, please, I'm not running away. As and when I get bail, so that so today is example, a perfect example of vendetta. Thank you very much.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
Five commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya. Hoy 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 hoy. Hoy 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 hoy. Hoy aga DMC si Turkey sentil Meghalaya bang punai. Hoy aga DMC si Turkey sentil Meghalaya bang tingkai.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela